Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm here in Vieng Doi, which is in Doi Saket, and I'll be showing you this 2-floor home. It's very beautiful. It comes with a swimming pool also. The total space is 287 Sq.wah and 240 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go and check it out. Once you walk in the house, you have the swimming pool right on your right side. Very beautiful. And here's the entrance of the house. You will see the living area first. Very nice. Big couch, TV, furnitures. And the kitchen comes with the sink, the stove, induction fan, oven, microwave, and over here is the fridge. The house looks very open, very nice. Now let me show you the bathroom, which is amazing. I love it. Just how they decorated. Look at that. Like you have a bathroom in the nature. Now let me show you this living or working area facing the garden. Very nice and peaceful. And for the first bedroom, it is a double bed. You have 2 double beds, closet, and also big window where you can see the garden outside. Let's go check out the second floor. Second floor, you have this bedroom, big bed, big mirror, closet, surrounded by many windows, and also you have this door to go to the terrace. And here is the second bedroom of the second floor. You have this big bed, big closet, also this door where you can go and relax outside on the terrace. And here is the second bathroom. Once you walk in, you have this beautiful sink, big mirror, shower area, and toilet. And also here, all the plants looks like in nature. And this is the terrace outside the bedrooms. It's all connected. Look at this gorgeous garden. You can see the garden, which I will show you. And here's the swimming pool right next to the house. It's your own private pool. So lovely. Let me show you another area where you can sit and relax. Over here. Oh, and you can see the lake also. And this is a Thai kitchen right outside by the garden. Really nice. You can cook outside and relax. And this is another part of the house in the garden where you can come and have dinner outside or just relax and spend time with your friends and family. Here's the garden outside. Very relaxing. You also have this cute fountain. And we're done for today. I hope you enjoy this beautiful house. If you're interested or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!